Hello everyone! So if you want to change that app lock password in your Xiaomi 14T Pro, or to open up your settings, now you're gonna scroll down to apps right here and let's tap on our app lock. Now we will be prompted to enter our password, so enter your current password. Now as you see, now we gotta find our settings icon right here. Tap here. Now you are to simply press changed password type, and here you are to choose between different passwords. For example, let's choose it to PIN. Now we are to enter our new password, confirm it, press OK, and basically that's it. Now our app lock password was updated, so let's check it out. Let's scroll down to apps, app lock, and as we see, now we have to use our PIN. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.